Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2016 Mercedes GLE. From any screen, we click onto Navi. That doesn't show you a whole lot. What you have to do is move the rotary selector forward. It brings up a new menu. We want destination at the bottom here, so to get it onto the bottom menu, I click back towards me twice, onto destination. If it doesn't go to destination, just use the rotary control to highlight it. Click OK, and then we want address entry, like so. We don't want town, we want the bottom menu, postcode, click on postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4. That's me touching this stupid touchpad at the top. It always gets me. PR5 4EA, select that, click on it, and then we want start, click on start.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, bye-bye. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. First thing we do, we go to Bluetooth, make sure it's switched on, then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, to telephone, the button, you see connect device needs to be highlighted like so. Click on connect device, search for phones, click again, start search. 2 clicks too many, Mercedes-Benz if you're watching. You'll see Barry's iPhone 13 Pros come up there, highlight it, click select. So watching out at the bottom here, 330908 pair, 330908 pair, yes. If you decide not to, you just highlight no, but we'll click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. I don't want Wi-Fi, so I'm going to click no there. And I think if we go to the top, we'll see Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio device in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. So from any screen, if we go to telephone, you'll see their connect device. We don't want a connect device, we want to delete it, but you have to go to that. So we select connect device. If it's not on there, just move the rotary control till it is, click in the center. That's the phone I want to delete. So turn the rotary control till I get to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. You'll see there's another menu. If I click sideways, deauthorize, details, reception, volume, we want deauthorize. Click on deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device? Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. So from any screen, first of all, we go to music. That's the track that's playing there. You'll see at the bottom Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. If I click on that, you've got a choice of either iPhone or Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. That means with a tick next to it, anything that's playing from here, I'm going to turn it down, anything that's playing on your mobile, if you have this set up correctly, the sound will come from the speakers. So over to the system, click on media. That's it, that's actually showing my phone. If I turn this up now and turn this up, that's it playing. I'm going to turn it down because the thing is, if it doesn't come onto your mobile straight away, if you click media, you'll see there at the top that's gone to all the different things you can have. Media interface 1, memory card, disk. So if it's on any of those, like so, click on disk. So you go to media, click on media, it's on disk, we just need to turn it across to Bluetooth, click like so, that's it playing.